Welcome to the second part of the series, The Lazy Nick's Guide to Ireland. Today, I'm going to be taking you on a hike up the Diamond Hill Red Route in Connemara National Park, Ireland. This trail is one of the most popular in the park, and it's easy to see why. Our journey begins at the Connemara National Park Visitor Center, where we'll gather our supplies, check the weather forecast, and soak in the park's serene atmosphere. As we set off on the trail, we'll be greeted by a carpet of wildflowers, a symphony of birdsong, and the fresh, invigorating air of the Irish countryside. The Upper Diamond Hill Red Route is a moderate to challenging hike, and it's about 6.5 kilometers long. The trail starts at the Visitor Center, where you can find restrooms and information on the area. The first part of the trail is well-maintained and easy to follow, but the upper trails are more challenging and require good footwear. Along the way, you'll pass through a variety of landscapes, including forests, bogs, and rocky outcrops. You'll also have the chance to see a variety of wildlife, including sheep, deer, and birds. As we approach the summit, the wind may pick up and the terrain may become more rugged. But don't be discouraged. With a little determination, we'll soon reach the top, where a sense of exhilaration awaits. From the summit of Upper Diamond Hill, we'll be rewarded with 360-degree views of Connemara's splendor. The 12 Bends stand tall and proud, the Atlantic Ocean stretches to the horizon, and the patchwork of lakes and villages unfolds beneath us. It's a moment to take in the beauty of this wild and wonderful land, to feel connected to nature, and to appreciate the simple joy of being present in this moment. It offers stunning views of the 12 Bends Mountains and the surrounding Connemara countryside. Get ready for stunning views, challenging terrain, and a sense of accomplishment that will leave you feeling on top of the world. As we descend the mountain, we'll carry with us the memories of this unforgettable hike, the challenging ascent, the breathtaking views, and the sense of accomplishment. But more importantly, we'll carry with us the spirit of Connemara, a spirit of adventure, resilience, and appreciation for the natural world. Here are a few tips for hiking the Upper Diamond Hill Red Route. Wear comfortable shoes with a good grip. Bring plenty of water and snacks. Be aware of the weather conditions and dress appropriately. Start early in the morning to avoid the crowds. So, if you're looking for a challenge, a reward, and an unforgettable experience in the heart of Connemara, the Upper Diamond Hill Trek is the perfect choice. Lace up your hiking boots, pack your backpack, and set off on a journey that will leave you feeling on top of the world. In the third installment of the series, we will be going through a hiking and camping experience at one of my favorite spots in Ireland, Glendalough. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you soon.